Hey guys, welcome back to Dazzling Stars. Today I'm going to show you how to make handmade papers at home. It is amazing and trust me guys, it is really fun to make and I really enjoyed making it. I make this out of newspaper. You can also take all notebook pages. We can use this for writing letter, beautifying journals, making cards, writing motivational quotes, and much more. I'm talking for a long time, right? So, let's get into the video. To make this, we need a newspaper, a pair of good scissors. Then, we have to cut it into smaller pieces. The smaller the pieces, the better it will come out. After cutting, soak this paper into water. I am keeping it overnight. If the paper is more thick, it may take more time. Now we are going to grind it. For that, I take a mixer jar. I'm squeezing it because I have taken newspaper and if it is not done, our paper become more grayish. Then pour enough water to grind. Now the newspaper pulp is ready. After pouring the newspaper pulp into a bowl, I am adding some white acrylic to make it brighter. This is optional. Here I am making paper with different colors. Take some pulp into another bowl. Add lots of water. And mix any acrylic color which you want. Here I am using magenta, but the color of the paper will be light pink. After mixing, pour it into a strainer. Then absorb the excess water using a cloth and slowly place it on the top of any cloth and tap gently. After that, with the help of chapati roller, I am just rolling it on the top to make it correct shape and leave it aside to dry in the sunlight. For making yellow colored paper, I use turmeric powder. I felt it is better than yellow acrylic. To make a different texture, I use cornstalk like this. You can also make different textures with some other type of materials. Wow, now it's perfectly done. If you want to see such amazing and awesome videos, press the subscribe button and if you click the bell icon, you can see all our future videos. Wait, don't forget to like, share and comment. Stay tuned.